In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix an unsupported image type in Google Slides. If you've ever tried to insert an image into a Google Slides presentation and received a notification saying it's an unsupported image type, you're not alone. This can be frustrating, but fear not. We're going to walk through the solution step by step so you can get back to creating amazing presentations without any hassle. First, head over to Google Slides. If you're not there already, open up your web browser and type in Google Slides, or simply click on the app from your Google account dashboard. Once you're there, make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. If you have multiple accounts, double check that you're using the one that contains your Google Slides files. Signing in is quick and simple. Just enter your email and password as prompted. With that completed, navigate to the Google Slides homepage. Here, you can see all of your existing presentations. From this point, you can either start a new presentation or select an existing one. If you want to start fresh, click on the option to create a blank presentation. Alternatively, choose from one of the many templates Google Slides offers, depending on what suits your needs best. Templates can save time by providing a pre-designed layout. Now, with your presentation open, you might be wondering how to get that stubborn image into your slides. A common workaround is to ensure the image file type is compatible. Google Slides easily supports JPEG, PNG, and GIF formats. If your image is in a different format, such as TIFF, BMP, or others, convert it to a supported format using a basic image editor or an online conversion tool. This simple tweak can often solve the problem immediately. Once your image is in a compatible format, locate it in your Google Drive. Navigate through your drive until you find the file. Right-click it and select Copy. Then go back to your Google Slides presentation, right-click on the slide where you'd like the image to appear, and select Paste. Like magic, your image should now appear in your slide without any issues. These steps are designed to help you troubleshoot the unsupported image type error effectively. By ensuring your image is of a compatible file type and using Google Slides' basic features, you can avoid interruptions in your creative process. With this newfound knowledge, you can now approach your presentations with confidence, ensuring every image appears smoothly and seamlessly. Thank you for joining me today to address this common Google Slides hiccup. Happy presenting!